Welcome back. It is Amani Beadwear, ladies, and I'm so glad that you're here with me today because I got a special vlog. I had the honor of customizing 15 gorgeous waist beads for one of my special Amani Angels. Today is the great day that we set aside to have a private tie-on session. And this was really good. It was a beautiful day outside. We were able to sit down and just discuss some things before I actually tied them on. She had some intentions that she wanted to reflect on in her journal. And I thought that was just amazing, guys. It was just a great thing to see, and to hear what her intentions was. I was able to answer any questions that she had for me that maybe we didn't discuss beforehand. And so it was just a good time for us to just bond, have, some more great conversation between two beautiful Black women. And then, we was going to go ahead and start on with the tie-on process. So I'm so glad that, I have you ladies here with me today where you can see, what goes on behind the scenes, so to speak, when I do, do a tie-on session that's not in an event setting. And so I'm so honored that she had entrusted everything with me, with making these special beads for her and just being there with her and helping her throughout her waist bead journey. Now, she is not a new waist bead wearer. She actually has on one that she's been wearing since 2021. And today she has decided to release and to let go of the energy that this particular waist bead once had for her. She felt that it was time to release. And so for some of us, when we do cut off our waist beads, that's really, it really has a lot of deep meaning for us. And so, as you can see, she has made the decision to let go, to release, to renew, and recharge. I hope you enjoyed this private tie-on session with me, because it was my honor and my pleasure to create beautiful, beautiful waist beads for this Amani Angel. And I hope to see all of you on the very next video.